Welcome back to another episode of Jar is Moi. Today we'll be making
hamburger
Easter egg slice. Except we don't actually have Easter eggs because of coronavirus. We could only get M&Ms, so it's just Easter slice. So let's get cooking. For the base, we'll need rice bubbles.
Can't see it.
We will need rice bubbles, some M&Ms, crispy M&Ms, some Arnott's Marie biscuits, sweetened condensed milk, and just one packet of baking white chocolate. On the scales, we're gonna put our biscuits in a food processor. So we're gonna need 200 grams of these biscuits. Now we're just gonna use half of it and blend the first half in our food processor. Now we're gonna add the rest of our biscuits in there and do the same.
Oh yeah.
Transfer your blended mixture or your cookie biscuits into your glass bowl. Now we need our rice bubbles and we'll need 1.5 cups of it. Now we're just going to mix it together like this, and now we're just going to set it aside. For this part, we'll need our tub of condensed milk, 150 grams of this baking white chocolate, we'll also need 100 grams of butter. Now these three ingredients are part of our base, so we'll get to cooking it.
Alright.
Now we're going to transfer these ingredients into a saucepan with a whisk, and we're going to put it on a low heat, and we're going to grab our butter. We're going to place this butter into our saucepan.
Whoa.
We're also going to add the condensed milk, the whole tin, and the white chocolate. And we're just going to constantly whisk so nothing burns to the bottom or sticks to the bottom. Joe's doing our whisking for us, good little boy. You're going to whisk it until all the white chocolate has gone. Should be looking like that. So now we're going to grab our mixture and our bowl that we prepared earlier. Now we're going to pour all of this in there and mix it all together. Now we're just going to combine it all together. Make sure all of the dry biscuits get mixed in.
Nice.
So getting mixed nice and well now. Gonna grab our scales again, reset it, and grab our M&Ms, crispy M&Ms. We need 210 grams of these crispy M&Ms. Yeah, 210 grams. Once again, we'll mix all this together. Now we're gonna grab our slice tray and we're gonna put all the mixture inside there. Is this still in the picture?
Yeah.
Just evenly spread it out like that. And now we're gonna refrigerate this for half an hour while we get our topping on. I'm just going to refrigerate this and find a spot. Don't force it. Now for our topping, we need 230 grams more of this white chocolate baking. So that's 173, we need more. Say hi to the video. Say hi. Now you just want to break up the pieces and chuck them in the glass bowl. Now we're going to take this over to the we're going to take this over to our microwave. We're going to put it in there, and we're just going to put it on for a minute. Actually, we're going to put it on for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Every time it comes out of the microwave, just melt it together. I'll just put that in for another 30 seconds. Then it should be good. That is dripping everywhere. So I've just added a teaspoon of vegetable oil just to make the texture a bit smoother and nicer. Just gonna combine that all together with a spatula. Now we're gonna grab our slice from the fridge that we've chilled, and we're gonna pour the white chocolate on top. Now we're gonna grab our remainder M&Ms and just sprinkle it over the slice. And we're gonna grab sprinkles and just sprinkle the top. Should look something like that. And now we're gonna let that chill for 4 hours in the fridge. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Ooh. So here it is. We're gonna take it out after letting it refrigerate. I let it refrigerate overnight. And so take your paper off. Ooh. That is looking like a nice bit of slice. So let's cut the piece off. Whoa, hard to cut. Now we're gonna cut it into little blocks. Merry Easter on this Easter Sunday, and I'm cutting it up. So that is how nice it's looking. Nice Easter slice, and we're gonna get Joe to taste test for us. Taking a bite. How is it?
That's actually really nice.
Yeah?
So good.
I'm gonna try some now. Whoa. That's pretty good. No. Whoa. This is actually really, really good. I hope you guys make it because you will not regret making it. I promise. Thank you guys so much for watching. keep liking and subscribing to my videos. And until next time, peace. Happy Easter from all of us.
Scram.